Alrighty, YouTubers, here we are with the fun full review. We're gonna go downstairs and test out the fog. And if you guys want to buy the fog to come with this, and they got different types, like the Halloween, the more dense fog. It all depends on what kind of fog you need. They got the formula. But I had a little issue with the shipping from Amazon. They they didn't take care of it with the Amazon shipping, but so that got a little soaked. But you just gotta set up a claim. No big deal. Like I said, a little bit. I still got enough to make a video. It's like about half of this. But like I said, this is the Halloween Party Fog Fluid. So like I said, links are gonna be down below. But like I said, they'll have it good shipped out to you. This is like a freak accident, but it could be through Amazon shipping it. So, but this is a fog stuff to buy for the Theefun. I'm gonna take this downstairs. Be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. We got the Theefun fog machine downstairs, and that's where you put the fog liquid. I'm gonna pour it in. I haven't turned it on yet, so I'll wait until I pour it in. And of course, it comes with the mounting brackets and a sweet mini remote. So like wrestlers, they could probably do it, like for the indie scene, parties, clubs, Halloween parties, even weddings, I guess now, cosplay. You guys could use this prop for. Let's fill it up. You get enough in there, top it off. Oops, a little spillage. So thank you guys over at Theefun for sending me this fog machine. And YouTubers, you guys could get it at a low cost. All you gotta do is click on the link, check them out, and also the link will be down below for Froggy Frog, the fog fluid. So, oops. I did a little spillage. Hold on, let me clean that up. I don't want to get nothing wet. Alrighty, here we go. All cleaned up. We got the plug right here. I'm gonna plug it in. Turn this thing on. And hopefully everything works good. And they said they're gonna get some kind of little funky soup. Sorry about that. Lights out. A little funky smell. But that's normal. Because that's a brand new. Sorry about that. Brand new smell. Okay. Power is on. We got the remote control. This is a remote that came with it. Okay, power on. Is there anything else I gotta do? Yeah, wait a few seconds. Huh. It's full. It's even recognizing the remote. And huh. I believe it's full to the top. And I got the little, maybe inside juicing up. Whoa! Whoa! Ha! Oh boy! And there's the lights. Let's shut these off. Look at that! Holy smokes! Oh geez, it's doing it again. Oh, smoky. Really smoky. This is sweet. This would be a sweet prop. Got the fog going. Oh yeah. So check them out. Ooh. Oh. Oh boy. This fog doesn't even smell. Look at that. That's sweet. So like I said, they got the RGB. Oh, still putting out. Oh, poofs. That's really cool. So it's not too loud, so it'd be great for clubs, parties, any kind of festivities you guys have, like wrestling. That'd be sweet for. And then all you gotta do, click on the link below, see what other goodies they have. I think it cleared up a little bit. Holy smokes, oh no. Uh-oh. Alright, that's enough, YouTubers. Sorry, I spoke out my basement again. You guys have a good night. Be safe and see you soon.